All right, our focus at 4:30 following an obscenity complaint filed by a housewife against Sunny Leone in Mumbai. The actor appeared at the Thane police station to record her statement. The complainant alleged that Sunny Leone's adult entertainment videos were spreading obscenity in our society. In her statement, the actor said, and I quote, "I'm a resident of America. I used to do porn movies before arriving in India. Now I'm working for Bollywood movies and Indian television channels." The actor has admitted that she used to work in the adult entertainment industry when she was in the US. However, she has not done any such films since her arrival in India. She also says that therefore the obscenity charge is invalid. The further course of action is, of course, to be the police is likely to decide on the further course of action. They had, of course, registered their FIR on the complaint that was filed by a housewife from Mumbai. Let's get a word from Mayuresh, who's with us live from Mumbai. Mayuresh, important to note that Sunny Leone coming and recording a statement at the Thane police station today and saying that she may have worked in the adult entertainment industry previously, but since her arrival in India, she has only worked with mainstream Bollywood and Indian television channels.
Simi, certainly a few days back, when we can say that a few weeks back, a resident of Dombivli, she had registered a complaint in Thane police saying that Sunny Leone has got adult movie. She has worked in adult movie and they are there on the website which anyone can easily access. After that, Thane police summoned Sunny Leone. They asked her to come and record her statement. On that, Sunny Leone recorded her statement at Thane Commissioner office, where she clearly mentioned that the adult movies, or we can say the porn movies, were her past and the Bollywood is her present. First. Second thing, the most important is that she clearly said that I'm not a resident of India. So that is a main, that is the crux of the matter, that these 2 points she clearly mentioned in her statement. Back to you.
Mayuresh, thanks so much for those details. Stay on with us. We're going to keep coming back to you for more as far as investigations on the ground goes. The case, of course, the police is likely to decide what they're going to do with this FIR next. We've been asking our viewers to call us and share their views with us. Guilty of vulgarity, or is it the ex-porn star, or is the ex-porn star being made a victim of star bashing? We have our first caller on the phone line. Rajat from Mumbai is with us. Rajat, go ahead. What do you have to say?
Hello. Yeah, the thing is that there is so much issue about the porn industry in India, and I somehow think that she is a victim, and also somehow is responsible for the so much discussion about porn, because a lot of people who are not exposed to this industry is now aware of who is Sunny Leone and what is his career. If you search in Google, you see that. If you search in Google, then you can see that what the images have come. Okay, so I just request the media that don't make an issue out of this. Okay, and we should ignore this kind of thing.
All right, Rajat, thanks so much for sharing your views with India Today. That was our first caller saying that he believes that Sunny Leone is being made a victim of star bashing. Of course, the actor making headlines after an obscenity complaint was filed against her by a housewife in Mumbai who accused Sunny Leone of spreading obscenity in our society. Sunny Leone recorded her statement with the Thane police today, where she said she's an American national. She was a part of the adult entertainment industry previously, but ever since her arrival in India, she's only been working with mainstream Bollywood filmmakers and with the mainstream Indian television channels. So, clarification coming in from the Bollywood star there. We're asking our viewers to call us on the numbers flashing on your screen, 0120-480-7310. Tell us what you think. Guilty of vulgarity, or is Sunny Leone being made a victim of star bashing? Mayuresh, our correspondent, is also with us live. Mayuresh, an important argument being made by Sunny Leone that as far as her stay in India is concerned, she's only worked with mainstream entertainment films and TV soaps. She's saying that whatever adult entertainment movies she may have made was in the US, and she's actually a US citizen, not an Indian national.
Certainly, Sunny Leone said that she is not Indian national, and she's got a proof that she is a US national first. Second thing is that whenever she had done these adult movies, or she had taken part in these adult movies, they all have been shot outside India, though they are available on the web, but they all have been shot in outside India, that is in US or any other country, not in India. So these are the arguments she mentioned in her statement which she has given to Thane police.
All right, and a good question there. If people in India had such objection to Sunny Leone's adult entertainment films, why is it that they roped her for Bollywood projects back home? Let's get a word from Sudhir, our next caller, who's with us on the phone line from Mumbai. Sudhir, go ahead. What do you have to say?
Yeah, thanks for giving me a chance to talk. Well, actually, this is really a state of predicament. You see, actually, the lady, she has been working in the porno movies and all that outside, and her videos are available. But now she has come to act over here, and here she is working perfectly all right. I mean, Indian society, Indian values, it is very difficult for them to digest this. But society is evolving, and younger generation is more sensible. I mean, we should take a little holistic approach towards this. I mean, nothing wrong in that. If she is behaving properly and she is doing things rightly, as is another law, we should allow it. That's all. Thanks.
All right, Sudhir. Thanks so much for sharing your views with us. We also have Satish from Mathura on the phone line. Satish, go ahead.
talking to Hindi.
Yeah, you can talk in Hindi, please.
जी
आप बात कर सकते हैं हिंदी में, बताइए.
हाँ जी, मैं कह रहा ये नंबर मैंने न्यूज़ पे दिया था, तो इसका क्या मतलब है, मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि किसके लिए, क्या है इसका.
सतीश, हम बेसिकली अपने व्यूअर्स से ये पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या आपको लगता है कि सनी लियोनी हमारे सोसाइटी में अपसेडिटी फैला रही हैं, या फिर उनको सिर्फ इसलिए टारगेट किया जा रहा है क्योंकि वो एक अब बिग बॉलीवुड स्टार बन गई हैं? क्योंकि इवन बिफोर उनको बॉलीवुड फिल्म में लाया गया, शी वाज अ स्टार टू रेकन विद, शी वाज अ फेस हु इज इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड.
जी 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 बिल्कुल. ये तो लोगों की मानसिकता के ऊपर है कि लोग कैसा सोचते हैं किसके बारे में, पर इस चीज से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो पहले कौन थे या कौन नहीं थे. अब आज के समय में क्या है, इस चीज से फर्क पड़ता है कि जिस तरीके से बॉलीवुड में है, जिस तरीके से वो काम कर रहे हैं, तो आज के समय में उनका सही है. ये तो लोग उनको यानी टारगेट करते हैं कि वो पहले कौन थे, तो वो लोगों की मानसिकता के लोग क्या बोलते हैं, मेरा कहना है.
ठीक है. All right, Satish, thanks so much for calling us and sharing your views with us. We also have Johnson on the phone line from Delhi. Johnson, go ahead.
Hi, yes, thank you for having me. I just want to express my view that when will this absurdity stop? Because this whole issue is so flimsy. There's a saying, there's a popular saying that no matter what your past is, your future is a clean slate.
Right.
So what she did in the past, it should not matter.
Right.
And because...
And you know, Johnson, it's also interesting because she's been roped in by Bollywood filmmakers because she's someone who's quite popular.
Right. Okay.
All right, Johnson, thanks so much for calling us and sharing your views with us. We're asking our viewers to call us on the numbers flashing on your screens. The question we're asking: is Sunny Leone guilty of vulgarity, or is the adult entertainment star being targeted unnecessarily? Is she a victim of star bashing? Let's get a word from Rijesh from Delhi, who's with us on the phone line. Our next caller. Rijesh, go ahead.
I think that's her right to do a whatever film she wants to do, and nobody has the right to criticize her. I think we are moral policing here. I think nobody has the right to criticize her because of the fact that she did some porn films in past. I think it's very unnecessary to criticize. I think those who are criticized, it is seeking public, publicity, I think.
All right, Rijesh, thanks so much for calling us and sharing your views with us. Now, Sunny Leone today recorded her statement before the Thane police, where she said that she's an American national, saying that what she was a part of the adult entertainment industry, but ever since her arrival in India, she's only worked with mainstream Bollywood and Indian television channels. Sandeep from Pune is with us on the phone line. Sandeep, do you think that Sunny Leone is being unfairly targeted?
It's just nowadays it has become fashion, to target whoever is famous. You see, she has not hidden anything from the viewer. Viewer knows that she was a part of porn industry, and frankly, after joining Bollywood, she hasn't done anything where one can point finger at her and say she has done something vulgar. If at all she has done, it is done by the Indian directors, okay? But you can't blame her. It's just that someone is picking up a case against her to get publicity. Is the best way the best way to get publicity nowadays is to pick fight against stars. That's it.
Right. All right, Sandeep, thanks so much for calling us and sharing your views. We also have our first woman caller of the hour on the phone line with us. Varita, go ahead.
Yeah, this is such a laughing stock. Our Indian directors are directing her, and she is an actress, and everybody knows about what she has done earlier. She was invited, she was welcome, and suddenly she has become a vamp for everything and responsible for such a thing which Indian actresses are doing. We have so many models, and we have so many movies when Sunny Leone was not there and all the vulgarity was still there.
Absolutely.
So what is the point pointing, or if you have to stop it fully. You can't just blame one person, and that too we are directing her and we are welcoming her to the Bollywood industry, and suddenly she becomes that she is doing everything wrong. I feel that is so sad in India, and she is an American citizen, and she is paying for this because Indian mentality is like that.
Varita, thanks so much for calling us and sharing your views with us. That was Varita, our first woman caller of the evening, who came on record and said that Indian Bollywood filmmakers actually invited Sunny Leone to come and act in projects here, which is why she's been able to bag so many films. No point in criticizing her unfairly. She's not actually taken on any adult film projects since her arrival in India, and she's being unfairly targeted. We also have Vijay from Kolkata on the phone line. Vijay, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I want to say that there are so many other heroines, top heroines who are doing even more vulgar scenes than Sunny Leone. So I don't think it is fair to criticize her. She is doing very well within the framework of, Bollywood, the mantra, you can say, whatever it is, which appeals to the public. There's nothing very vulgar about her at all. I know it's very unfair to criticize her.
All right, Vijay, thanks so much for sharing your views with us. We also have Karthik from Mumbai on the phone line. Karthik, what do you have to say?
Yeah, I think it's rather unfair on Sunny Leone. I think she's clarified in interviews several times earlier that's what her past can't really be changed, and I think everyone has a shot at redemption and trying to do something different. And as obviously as a society, we are conditioned rather differently in terms of how we may not subscribe to what she's done in her past, but I think people need to be fair and open-minded, and as far as possible, if she's not doing anything vulgar or demeaning and something which is provocative because we need to understand that she's part of an industry which has got tremendous influence on people, especially the youth. So as far as she's not doing anything wrong,
right,
I think it's rather unfair.
All right, Karthik, thanks so much for calling us and sharing your views. We also have Deepak on the phone line from Mumbai. Deepak, do you think Sunny Leone is being unfairly targeted? There's an FIR against her for obscenity.
Yeah, my first question to the lady who has made the complaint is, what was she doing watching a porn movie? First, let her clarify her moral character. Then we will talk about her complaining. Why was she hunting out porn movies?
All right, Deepak, you've raised a very important point. It's also interesting to note that it's not like Sunny Leone came to Bollywood on her own. She was actually invited by filmmakers, and she's been getting a lot of projects because filmmakers see her as a bankable star. Well, I will try and reconnect with Deepak there. We're inviting our callers to call us on the number flashing on your screens and share your views with us. Is Sunny Leone being unfairly targeted because of her past as an adult entertainment star? Is she actually guilty of vulgarity? Now, Sunny Leone has she's been named in an FIR that was registered by the Thane police. A Mumbai housewife has accused her of spreading obscenity in our society. Today, what happened is that Sunny Leone went and recorded her statement before the police. She said she's an American national. She admitted to being a part of the adult entertainment industry. She said she has worked in porn films, but she said that ever since she started working here in India, she's only been a part of mainstream Bollywood films and has done shows for Indian television channels. We're getting mixed reactions from our viewers, but almost 95% of them coming out in defense, in Sunny Leone's defense, saying that she may have a body of work in her past, but right now she's being roped in by Bollywood directors for what she brings to the table. Some people also saying that other Bollywood actresses do similar scenes in movies. If they're not targeted, why is Sunny Leone being singled out because of her past? We have our next caller on the phone line, Hari from Andhra Pradesh. Hari, go ahead.
Hello?
Yes, Hari, go ahead. What do you have to say?
Actually, we need not to talk about this issue because first we need to prevent the foreign obscene scenes in television and in our society, because the law is not enacted properly by the government. First, we need to concentrate about that. We need to stop the obscenity on television, on movies, and inside the pubs. Then we have to work out to criticize other people.
All right, Hari, thanks so much for calling us at India Today and sharing your views with us.